Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot the "We are sorry, an error occurred" message in Monopoly Go. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This error message can pop up for several reasons, so here are some general steps to help you get back on track. First, check your internet connection. Sometimes, a weak or unstable connection causes the app to throw errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. If your connection is solid, first close the Monopoly Go app completely and then reopen it. You can do this by opening the app info of Monopoly Go and then tap on force stop to stop it and then reopen it again. If the error still appears, clear the app's temporary data. You can do this by opening the app info again and then tap on storage and then clear cache. This should remove the recent corrupt files buildup and fix the issue. You should also make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, error messages occur because of bugs that have been fixed in your versions, so check your App Store for updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, restart your device to clear out any lingering system glitches and try again. Lastly, if the error persists, check Monopoly Go's official social media channels or community forums for any announcements. Sometimes the problem is server related and the developers might already be working on it. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.